Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let us know who you'd like to see us draw next. We are trying to build our subscribers, so we appreciate you joining. Today we are drawing French professional basketball player Victor Wembanyama. He was selected #1 overall in 2023 to the San Antonio Spurs. Considered one of the greatest NBA prospects of all time. Listed at 7'5", tallest active NBA player. Let's get started. All right, find the center of your page up and down and the center of your page across. Get your dark marker, the pointed tip, and we're gonna draw Victor's face right up here, okay? We'll start with a narrow kind of jawline, come down, cut into the chin, to the chin area, come over on the chin, up, curve, and up. Alrighty, let's draw a couple of ears. So start here, up, out. He's got bigger ears, so we're just gonna make these ears stand out a little bit more. Side of the head pops up. Now his hair kind of curls and bumps out to the very top of the page. Curls out and to the very top of that page. Perfect. All right. The hair is gonna go in, up, and curve to meet each other. Right there, okay? Let's do some eyes. These are gonna be sideways ovals. 1 and 2, okay? And arch for the eyebrows, up, connect, and you can color those eyebrows in really quick. Connect to the point. There we go. Let's do the nose. We're gonna do kind of a bird shape. So it goes up, down, up, okay? Color the nostrils in a little bit darker. Over here on the eye, we're gonna do a big circle. We're gonna leave these circles white. Those are the highlights. Color around that circle with our dark marker. And actually, I'm gonna do a little, kind of this brown color for the inside of the eye. Just around that black area, slightly put some brown. A light brown, kind of this golden brown around that eye. There we go. Okay, let's get going. Let's go with our dark marker again. We are going to do a smile. So down, up, down, up. Kind of another bird shape. Down, up, down, up. Start in this corner, go down flat and up to the corner. Color in the corner of the mouth with a little bit of dark. A couple of smile lines on the edge of those, the mouth there. Here's the bottom of the lip. Scribble in a little chin beard, little goatee on that chin, and we're gonna give him a little mustache. So just above the lip, scribble in a little thin mustache. There we go, looking good. All right, so let's do the neck now. We'll start chin, go down, a longer neck, kind of a long skinny neck, comes to a point, a V, the jersey, over, round out for that armpit, round out for that armpit. And then we're gonna do long waist, straight across, and connect this armpit down to that waist. Nice. So let's do the shorts now. Down, down, over, up, down, over, and connect to the waist. There are the shorts. We're gonna draw, this is our cartoon, so it's not perfect. You know, you got this long Victor Wembanyama. He's like 7'5", long wingspan. Like his arms, when they stand out, they're like 8 feet long. But we can't do that because we got a little piece of paper. So the legs are gonna go down, skinny down to an ankle, stop. down, skinny down to an ankle, and stop. We'll do the shoes now. We'll do the tongue of the shoe, the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces on that side. Big foot to the edge of the page, down, straight across to the ankle, the heel, and up to the ankle. All right. The back of the heel curves out and down, straight across out to the page area, the edge of the page. The toe goes up, curves, and into the shoelaces. There we go. Maybe we'll do a sock. All right, cool. Let's do a big basketball right here. We'll do a big circle as best as we can. There's our basketball. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. And there's the thumb, kind of dribbling that basketball there. We'll do a shoulder bump, forearm bump, and into the basketball, okay? Shoulder bump, bump, and into the basketball. Skinny arm. Shoulder bump, bump. He's gonna bring his big arm up. There's a thumb, so curve. And then the number 1, big finger there. Bump 1, bump 2, bump 3. So he's holding up the number 1 because he was the number 1 draft pick. We'll see how he does. If he stays healthy, huh? Bump that shoulder and connect down to the elbow. Boom. Okay, there's our outline for Victor Wembanyama. We are now going to draw the stripes of the jersey. So down, up, curve around these armpit areas, down, down to the bottom, down to the bottom, and the same thing with the shorts. Down to the bottom. Cool. Let's do the number 1 real quick. That's what number I think he's going to be wearing. That's what they say. Straight across, angle down, straight down, over, down, and up. Okay. Cool, cool. Looking good, looking good. I'm going to do a little outline. I'm going to fill in that outline with kind of a grayish silver. Also, we're going to color this jersey in black, the black San Antonio Spurs. And then I'm going to come in the fast forward, I'm going to come over it with a white Prismacolor pencil. Prismacolor is like a very high quality colored pencil. You can see the link in the description of the video. Order these are great to use. So when we color it dark, we can go over it in white and slightly bring out that Spurs logo. We'll try it out. So, Victor Wembanyama, thank you for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. We're gonna fast forward now and let us know on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook who you'd like to see next. Thank you for drawing. Hey Kids Let's Draw. Fast forward.